Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a review on one of my all-time favorite hair products that I use like every day. I'm going to be talking about the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this product actually saved my hair. I started to use this when my hair was at its worst point. It was like completely damaged from all the straightening and dyeing that I used, and it really did help restore my curls back to a lot of its natural fun bounce. And it just brought a lot of life back to it. And eventually, when I did cut most of my hair off, it did help grow it out longer. So one of the things that I love about the leave-in conditioner is that it's all natural product. It's actually organic and natural ingredients certified. So that's great because a lot of people think that just because they cut off straightening their hair or blow drying it, avoiding like heat damage, and dyeing it, avoiding the harsh chemicals, they think that that's enough to cure their hair. But what a lot of people don't know is that really common hair products today have a lot of harsh chemicals that will still cause damage to their hair. But Shea Moisture, all of Shea Moisture products don't have that. And another thing that's great about Shea Moisture products is that it's a wide variety of stuff. It's not just hair, it's lotions, it's shampoos, it's facial stuff, it's soaps. They have so much stuff, and they're all really good for you. Another thing to take note about is that it's cruelty-free, and all Shea Moisture products are. So if that's something that you care about, like I do, then you can definitely give this a try. So I'm just going to talk about some of the main things that it does for the hair. It uses organic shea butter, and organic shea butter is pretty much just like a deep moisturizer that a lot of people use for skin, but you can also use it for the hair. It's really just like a leave-in conditioner for your hair and your scalp. And if you are someone who has hair that is really dry naturally, this is perfect for you because it has so much moisture. I can honestly wake up with like dry hair and just put this on it, and I don't really need to put a lot of water onto it. Another thing is that it has Jamaican black castor oil in it, so that's actually really good for your hair. The Jamaican oil is loaded with reparative omegas that help stimulate healthy hair growth. And that's what I really love about Shea Moisture's leave-in conditioner, is that it's just a natural hair restoration cream that really does make a huge effect on your hair. So I'm actually wearing the hair product in my hair right now, and I did a video earlier of how I applied it to my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you now. So if you're interested in seeing that, please keep watching.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go into this video by showing you what the bottle looks like. That is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So if you're ever looking for it in the store, that's what it's going to look like. I'm going into this hair routine with wet hair directly from the shower. I find it easiest whenever I'm applying any type of cream or conditioner or gel to go at it with wet hair. Anybody who has curly hair knows how much of a strain it is to detangle dry hair. So I start off by just applying a generous amount to the base and end of the hair first. That's like the most important part, so that's where it's best to put the main amount. And I'm using my fingers instead of a comb just because it's easier for me to use my fingers just to know how much like strength I'm adding when I pull it to avoid breakage. You can also use a wide tooth comb if you want, and I have in the past and still continue to from time to time, but for the main part I just use my fingers because it's easier. And I'm just combing it through pretty much through my hair so that I can apply an even amount all around my head. You can section off your hair, of course, if you feel it necessary, but I don't really, because of the way that the hair product is. It's really liquidy, so it kind of just goes through all by itself. And then I put a lot on it, like all around too, so I don't really feel the need to section it. It gets all around the hair pretty much naturally by itself, and with my help, of course. Like I've said before, if you naturally have dry hair, this is definitely the hair product for you because it's so just liquidy and such a huge moisturizer. Like I could honestly, on like second or third day hair, just go in and add the hair product to my hair just on dry hair, like fresh out of bed. And I won't need to put any water into it because it's a natural moisturizer. Yeah. So I've gradually just come up from the bottom of my hair to my scalp and just evenly combed through all of the hair product. And I'm just making sure that there's no more tangles on the top. You have to double and triple check your hair when you have curly hair just to make sure there's no tangles sneaking. And now I'm going to turn my hair over so that I can get the back of the hair, so I can leave no hair untouched with the leave-in conditioner cream. Also making sure that there's no knots in the back, because those are where they like to hide and they're most difficult to get out. So you're gonna want to spend some time over there.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm definitely going to be doing more hair product reviews, especially Shea Moistures, because they have a wide variety of stuff. So stay tuned. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification below. Okay, thanks, bye!